Hello everyone, and welcome back to those that are taking this WordPress training course. John Jarvis here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install your WordPress plugins. This is what you're going to see the very first time you log into your WordPress dashboard. The first thing you want to do is dismiss. And again, for those taking this course, you'll notice that this is an add-on domain that I set up for my blog. This is something that you won't have to worry about because you can run everything from one website. This is my website, firstpagetraffic.com, and this will be my blog, firstpagetraffic.com/blog. Now let's get to installing our WordPress plugins. To work on our plugins, we come over here and go to Installed Plugins. The very first thing we want to do is delete Hello Dolly. Hello Dolly is something that is not necessary, and you don't want any software in your WordPress dashboard that you don't need. So yes, delete these files. If you ever see a plugin that needs updating, make sure you update it. Let's return to our plugins page. And what I'm going to do from here is take you into a video from my most recent training course, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for and activate your Akismet plugin. Now for Akismet, you simply activate it. And if you already have an Akismet key, you click here. If you don't, you need to create a new Akismet key. Click right here, get an Akismet API key. From this screen, if you already have a WordPress.com account for this website, click here. If you don't, enter in your email address, username and password, and sign up, which is what I'm going to do right now. Once you're logged into WordPress.com, it's going to ask you if Akismet can connect to WordPress.com. You need to click Authorize. Now when some people get to this screen, they think that they have to pay for this key, when this is not true. To get a free Akismet key, right here, click on Sign Up. And if you watch this little smiley face, if you left click on this right here and pull it up, he's going to get really happy. Pull it all the way down to the bottom. He's going to get sad, but it's going to be free. So enter in your first name and your last name and continue. Now Akismet is going to give you an API key, and this key is going to look similar to this. When you get this, you go back to your WordPress dashboard, you go back to your plugins. Now you click on Activate your Akismet account. I already have a key. And you paste your key right here and save changes. Right here you click Auto Delete Spam and show the number of comments and save changes again. Go back to Install Plugins. And your Akismet key is already set up and ready to go. Here I have a website that the Akismet key isn't working on, and as you can see, what will happen if you don't have an Akismet key is your website is going to get filled right up with spam comments. These comments are just garbage, and this happens to be a website that I'm getting rid of. Now as for our plugins, I have a list of the necessary basic WordPress plugins that are needed on a blog. We're going to go through these one at a time, and what I'm going to do is leave this list on the website that this video is going on. So you can just copy, go back to your website, add new, search, just paste that in there, install now, and activate it. Go back to your list of plugins, highlight Bulletproof Security, copy it, and I use Control-C to copy for a shortcut. Add new, search, install now, and activate it. And this is going to give us a bunch of warning screens. Don't worry about that. Pretty easy to fix. Let's just dismiss these notices. Let's go down to your installed plugins. And let's set up the Bulletproof Security plugin. Click on Settings. Okay, I want to show you this screen. The Bulletproof Security likes being the big dog in the pound. That's pretty much because he is. You want to keep this plugin up to date, or your website could get destroyed by hackers. Now you're going to notice all these tabs up top here. What's important is security modes, security status, and backup and restore. In security modes, let's scroll down. I'm going to show you there's 1, 2, 3, 4 radio buttons. Up at the top, you click here to create default htaccess file. Scroll back down, you create secure htaccess file. Scroll back down, you click the top radio button and you activate it. Scroll down again, second radio button down, activate. Same thing for the third one. Master htaccess, bulletproof it. Back down to the fourth. Activate. Now let's go to security status. Everything here should be green. If you see red like you see right here, that means that your bulletproof security isn't set up. And the reason for that is right now we have to go to backup and restore. I want to show you right here there are 2 radio buttons. Click the top one, you back up your htaccess files. You restore your htaccess files. Now when we go to security status, everything is green. Now let's go back to our plugins, install plugins, back to our plugins page, comment love, highlight it, copy it, back here, add new, search, install now, and activate it. What I want you to do now is just work your way through these one at a time and install them. If something happens that you do get any security warnings, don't worry about it. We're going to fix it. For now, just get all of these installed. I'm going to do the same thing, and when I come back, I'm going to show you how to set up what plugins need setting up. So I'll see you then.